Hi guys! Today I'm going to unbox the sanrio. What are we going to unbox? Yes! Which box should I I'll open it.
Sige na. Let Chasey do the opening, ha? You open from the box, but Chasey will open from the plastic. Okay? We will assemble later na lang.
What is the center?
Center? Which center?
Between you and...
Okay, which one can you unbox first? Can you unbox the first one?
Wow.
Do you need help?
Show it to the video first.
Show it sa Hi. Open. Sige lang.
Open it. Do you need help?
Sige lang. Chasey lang.
I think you need help from Kuya Love. There. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
That's you go.
Wow. What's the first one? Woo!
Karomi.
Your favorite.
I know you like Karomi. It's your favorite character that you like.
Si Kuromi.
Yes.
Dating nilo nga. Kuromi tanan. Kuromi
It's
tanan.
Karomi. Where
Bantay lang ito.
where is the
We will just assemble it later,
Later na
love.
lang.
We'll just...
ball pen?
Later na ha.
You put the stuff inside nasa love. Later we will assemble. Ate.
Where do you say lapu?
You open the others nasa. The other boxes.
Here.
Put it sa box ha, maybe you put it sa box. Babe.
Put it back in the box again.
Where?
That box.
Which?
The one that you opened. Oh, that one. Oh, that one. Oh. Put it back in.
The plastic.
No, put the...
Like that ba? Look like what
Kuromi.
Chasey's doing.
Okay.
Other one.
Okay.
Like
Open
here's
another
a-
one. Put
Okay.
on the
Here.
side first. Oh.
Here's a love. Other one. Sige, side.
Mm.
Hello.
Oh my gosh, what else can you get?
Hello. What's the other one? Kurumi again. Kurumi again.
Oh, it's another one. What is it?
I don't know.
It's a green one. You can see it. Huh? Pocho? Okay.
And that one
Put it
is-
back in the box. It's Pocho. Kuya Sammy's.
That's Ate Ice's favorite lang.
It is.
What's that?
Ano?
No.
It's hello.
This
Oh, it's Hello Kitty. Oh.
Hello Kitty.
Very lucky, huh?
I'm
Very lucky.
I'm a luckiest boy now.
Wow.
Everybody likes the show video.
Yeah.
Everybody will subscribe my video.
Yes. Put it aside.
Put it
Yeah.
back. Oh.
Thank you for listening to the video. Please subscribe my YouTube account.
Third box is